Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a Knives Barlow here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and please subscribe to the channel if you aren't already subscribed to it. And let me know in the comments down below if you like this fella right over here, because I think it's a pretty cool front flipper handmade by Enrique Peña. This is a custom knife, guys. It is going to cost you around $900, so definitely not a cheap one, and it's also like a pretty cool, pretty tiny one. Check this out, 2.7 inches for the blade, and we get 3.7 inches for the handle, so overall length is going to be 6.6 inches. Not too big. Let's quickly check the weight, because also this fella is pretty lightweight. Of course, you get micarta, pretty thick liners, but anyways, in the pocket is going to be 2.21 ounces, so can't complain about the weight on this fella, which is really well made. I mean, check this out, check these details here. This blonde micarta, this emblem right over here is inlaid like to perfection, satin finish, blue lines separating. I mean, you have to glue this together. Look at this kind of like denim micarta. It goes very well with the blonde micarta right over there. Very cool combo. Thick liners. They are satin on the outside and blasted on the inside. You can't really appreciate this until you take this apart. Blonde micarta backspace are nicely done as well. Pretty cool jimping. CPM 154 steel satin hand rub blade. Really cool front flipper. A little bit, I would have preferred a little bit more access, real estate here to disengage the lock bar, but not too shabby. Pretty cool action as well. So there you have it. If you want to know more, you can check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.